Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales, and today we have Passionate box for review here. As you know, Passionate box is a jewelry plus lifestyle plus beauty box. They have two editions, $4.99 and $9.99, and they offer free shipping as well. Today what we have is their February-March LOVELICIOUS edition at $9.99 plus free shipping. And before getting started, I also have a discount code for you. If you go for a Jan and Feb editions together, then you will get 10% off on each box, that is Leo10. And if you're going for just one box, be it either Jan box or Feb box or $4.99 or $9.99, then you will get 5% off on the boxes, and the code is Leo5. The Jan boxes have already been unboxed, so you can check that out. The links will be in the description box. So now let's get started. So here we have Passionate box, and it is curated by the owner of the box, Anshu. So the packaging of Passionate box is pretty simple actually. It's a biodegradable packaging, but I really like it. It's a very sturdy packaging, and once I open it, all the products are beautifully wrapped up. And I also believe the heart shape is due to the fact that it is a Feb-March edition, so it is more like, love, Valentine's and all that. So the packaging is very good. All the individual products are bubble wrapped. I really like the packaging. It has a feel-good factor to it. And here we have the paper. It says, "Dear member, thanks. We hope you enjoy your purchase. All of our products are crafted with an obsessive attention to details. We would love to hear from you." And the product details are also mentioned. So the theme is, the box name is LOVELICIOUS box, and you're getting products for $2,700 plus, and you're paying just $9.99 with free shipping. So I'm very excited to see what all those 10 products are. Let's open up and start one by one. The first product is a beautiful cushion cover, and it's like a raw silk kind of material, and it's a standard size. I really love the print. I don't know how the camera is capturing the color. It is more of a greenish color, a minty green kind of. I think it's looking a little blue. I really love the quality of this one. I have received pillow covers in the past, but quality has not been like that great. So here you have a zipper opening here, and the quality of this particular pillowcase is so good. I really love the quality, and it looks very pretty, and I'm just waiting to put it on some of my pillows. So this is the first product in the box. The second product is from the brand Magic Dust. It is the Red Wine Face Wash. It is organic, natural and handmade. 125 ml of the product, and the full ingredient list is mentioned here. It is paraben free, eco-friendly. The price is 1100. All right, that is a pretty expensive face wash, I have to say that. The Magic Dust brand, it's a luxury brand, and the products have always been a bit expensive. So I guess red wine, maybe probably that unique ingredient is causing the price hike. So this is how it looks like. Fragrance wise, it has a perfumed fragrance, which is, it's quite nice. It's like a unisex fragrance only, and I think it's a gel wash, so I'll be definitely using this. Probably the most priciest face wash ever that I've tried from an Indian brand would be this one. So this is the first product. This is the second product. The second product is a lip balm. It is the Maybelline Baby Lips Color Orange Jujube. That is the variant. I don't think I've used it before. So yeah, this is the color. I think it's still non-tinted only. Yeah, it has a slight tint to it, but then it will show up as a nude lip balm only. And so a baby lips edition is always great. So this is the third product in the box. Again, a full-size product. The next product that I have here is a Love Loofah. It is basically a pink loofah, and it has these sponges, heart sponges. It's so cute and a very atypical loofah design. Special for Valentine's edition, and so Feb-March perfect edition. And yeah, you are supposed to change your loofahs every 3 to 4 months, like maximum 4 months. Other than that, you have to change, because it is a breeding place of bacteria. So I really love collecting different unique loofahs, because you need a lot of them. So this is again cute, and I really like this edition also. Next we have is a sheet mask from Monsub. It is a deep whitening and brightening facial mask. I have used this before. So it's a one-time sheet mask, and the price is 250 rupees. Basically, sheet masks are like an all-weather product. Any weather it's good, but especially in summers, I feel it's a little better because of the humidity. And if you have oily skin, then it is like, bye-bye good, beautiful skin, welcome dull skin. So really, I think Monsub or any other sheet mask is a good addition in a summer-oriented box. So this is the next product. Then we have a beauty blender. And it's a plain color, I guess. Yes, it is a plain color. It's slightly bluish actually. So I have used beauty blenders before. Again, I prefer changing these products often. I don't love using them the same product over and over. So I guess talking about beauty blenders is also good. And also I'm experimenting on a lot of foundations and all these days. So the advantage of a beauty blender over a brush or a sponge is that it doesn't absorb any product and it gives a smooth finish. Well, I've used it and I found it to be true as well. So that's nice. So this is a very soft sponge and it is priced at rupees 150, and at the back side it talks about the product features and all that stuff. So this is the next product. Then we have an earrings, and I think you will get a random design but a same pattern, the wooden earrings. So I got a floral design and I think it's very pretty. Yes, it's not that I think, it is very pretty. It is a very lightweight earrings and nice design. As I was saying, nowadays I'm not a fan of jhumkis or Afghanis or tassels anymore. I prefer unique earrings. So this one is really pretty. So this is my second last product. Then we have a sample here from Fuchsia. It is a crystal rose bath salt, Lovelicious one. So it has to be something with roses. So this is the next product. Now, the last product in the box is actually a very special product. However, thanks to the weather, it did not reach me in a perfect condition. I have put it in freezer, but right now I'm going to show you how it actually should look like. And this is how the cap of the chocolate box reached me. Thankfully, perfect condition. I have to appreciate Anshu for this one. It looks very beautiful and even the shape is perfect. It didn't get melted at all and it's nice. I think it's a crispy edition. I can see some crispies inside. So this is the cap. Now the bottom part is where a little bit of melting happened. You can see the shape here, the heart shape, but the other side got a bit melted. So inside that again we have 3 chocolates as you saw in that. So this one will be your name alphabet, first alphabet. So it is N from Niranjana. Although I really appreciate it, only one half of it got a bit tormented, but that's okay. I definitely love this. This is actually a very beautiful addition. It's like edible chocolates. These can't look any more beautiful. So Anshu, you don't have to worry about the melting part. I know you may be a bit upset on seeing this, but I definitely will appreciate this. I really like it. So these are all the products that I got in my February Lovelicious edition. I like the addition of the chocolates. Obviously, I've been talking about them for some time now. I definitely like them. I also like the cushion cover. It's a good addition. It's like a, like a lifestyle box right now. Then the sponge, the mask. This face wash is actually the most expensive product here. So what I felt was that unlike January, we don't have a makeup product here. Like a branded makeup product is not here. So maybe instead of such an expensive face wash, maybe skincare and makeup would have been better. That's just a thought, but still I really like it. Red wine is again, it's a unique ingredient. Also, we don't have that many products with red wine in it. So overall, it's a good box, a thoughtful addition. So this is my suggestion to Passionate Box for the February-March edition. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Do let me know how you guys like the video. We will meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.